करो फ्रेम वाला.
Hello, everyone. Good evening to this beautiful evening. Today, we are having our info session on solution challenge. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Ojas Sharma, General Secretary at Google Developer Student Clubs BKBIET. Today, we are having an info session on the solution challenge conducted by GDSC.
Hello everyone, I am Mayank Jaiswal. I am presently serving as technical lead in GDSC BKBIET. Today, me and Ojas will tell you more about solution challenge.
So
So we
you all
can carry
must be
on.
having questions about what is solution challenge, what is going to happen, how it will help us, and why it is going to. So first of all, our first question that triggers our mind is what is the solution challenge? So Mayank, please explain.
Yes. So, have you ever thought about building an application or tool that solves a problem your community faces? Or have you felt inspired to build something that can help improve the lives of those you care about? The year ahead brings more opportunities for helping each other and giving back to our communities. The Solution Challenge is an annual contest presented by Google Developer Student Clubs that invites students to develop solutions for local community. It is an annual competition that invites university students to develop solutions for real world problems using one or more Google products or platforms.
And now, next question that comes to our mind is what is the mission of this solution challenge? Mayank,
Hmm.
please tell our viewers about the mission of solution challenge.
Yes. So the mission of Solution Challenge 2022 is the to solve one of the more United Nations 17 sustainable development goals using gold technologies. Whatever sustainable goals, these are created by United Nations in 2015 to achieve by to 2030. So let's look at this video. Voice is coming.
No, it's not audible.
It's not audible. Okay. Wait. No issues.
Still, it's not audible.
So here we look about the 17 goals. These are 17 sustainable development goals. These are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education for gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and last, partnership for the goals. So these are the 17 goals for which we believe we can choose and work. So just can you tell me what are the prizes and recognitions in solution challenge?
Yeah, sure. Very great mission and so exciting are its prizes. So, all the participants, means whosoever is participating, will be receiving Google Developers Digital Profile Badge and an official certificate. Top 50 teams will be receiving customized mentorship from Googlers and experts to take their solutions to another level and will be getting a branded t shirt and a certificate. Very good opportunity. And top 10 finalists, they'll be receiving additional mentorship, a swag box, and the opportunity to showcase solutions to Googlers and developers all around the world at Demo Day on YouTube. That's also very great. And now, the contest finalist. In addition to the swag box, each individual from additional 7 recognized teams will receive a cash prize of $1,000 per student. Winnings for each qualifying team will not exceed $4,000. And the top three winners, they'll be in addition to swag box, each individual from the top three winning teams will receive a cash prize of $3,000 and a feature on the Google developers blog. It's sounding very exciting that you will be getting mentorship from all the Google experts, swag kits, t-shirts, certificates, and everything so that you can take your project to the next level along with the cash prizes.
Can you tell me about judging criteria?
Yes, sure. So you all have learned about what is solution challenge, what is mission of solution challenge, what the prizes you will be getting. Now it's time to know about the judging criteria on what points you will be judged. So uh, the panel of Googlers will use the following criteria to evaluate you and will give you scores according to these only. So, impact and technology. Impact is of 60 points and technology 40 points. Impact. See, these are the various points. Does the entry establish a clear challenge focused on one or more of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Is it explained? Means, first of all, you will be getting 10 points on your explanation basis that what you thought, are you able to explain it or not? Then, how effectively does the solution address its challenge identified? Among the 17 problems, you have to just pick up one problem. Then you should know how to explain it, how effectively you can address your problem. You should know the way of presentation. Is there is evidence of next step? Does the team display a plan for future extension? If you want to implement your idea, then does your team represent any future extension that how it can help you in coming future? Next is there evidence that the solution has been thoroughly tested with real users? No, it's not that you have to only think about it and you just have to write anything. You should practice that. Can it be? You should experiment on the real users, means real world friendly it should be. Next, is there evidence that the solution was iterated upon based on user feedback? It should now feedback. Users feedback is very important thing. First of all, so impact has 5 points. You should know how to explain your idea. You should know that uh, how you are addressing your problem. Next, how it can help in future, and it interact with real users, and what is the feedback of our users. It is about impact. It consists of 60 points. And now technology, which consists of 40 points. Now, in first point is, does the solution implement all the technical components needed to solve the challenge? You should conclude, means if you are creating any solution, it should conclude all the technical points also. You should use technology in it. Has the team clearly explained what Google technology they used, why, and included guidance on how to run the code? Means you have to use at least one Google technology in making your project. Means if you are making any solution, you have to use at least one Google product. Next is, does the video demonstration show the working solution and how a user will interact with the solution? Does the demonstration highlight how the Google technologies are implemented and also mention the value of technology provides the user? You have to create a short video about what your solution is and how you have used technology in making that product. Means what is the value of technology in your project? Last is, has the team made effective product and technical decisions for their solution? In making your solution, if you have used any technology, then how effectively you have used the technology that matters the most. So, these technology points, 40 points, and your impact, 60 points. This is the judging criteria that will be used to give you scores.
That's nice.
So, Next question that comes to our mind is when and where to register for solution challenge. I am pretty sure that you all will be very much excited about participating in solution challenge and developing a solution about it. So now Mayank will tell you about when to participate and where to register about the solution challenge.
Yes. So here we can see the timeline. First, as you all are the members of GDSC BKBIET, step one is done. Step two, you have to register for the on a form. Then you have to form a team. And I told you about 17 sustainable development goals. So you have to choose one among them. Then after choosing a problem, you have to identify a solution that comes under design and build. So to build a solution, you can take help of mentors and others. You can approach us also. For building the solution, you have to design the front end interface and the back end technology both, and then you have to test your solution. Next is submission and judging. So you have to record a demo video and submit it by March 31st. In mid of April, the top 50 solutions will be announced. Then the process of mentoring starts. The top 50 solutions will be mentored in the month of May. Then in June, top 20, 10 finalists will be announced. And finally, top 3 winners will be announced live on YouTube in July. This seems interesting, and I would like many of you to take participate in solution challenge. So let's look at some videos. Is it audible?
Please
Ojas?
play it again once.
Is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Just a minute, I am sharing.
Club Solution Challenge is to solve for one or more of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using Google technology. Citing the official United Nations website, these goals are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges we face, including poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace, and justice. During this video, I will show you how you can research these goals and brainstorm ideas for your solution challenge project. So starting with the official UN SDG site, the first thing I suggest you do is click on each of the goals and read the challenges each goal faces. For example, Goal 1, no poverty. This page will give you a good primer to the challenges we face on our road to no poverty. And down at the bottom of the page, you can take a look at the facts and figures and the breakdown of targets defined for each goal. There's also an infographic you can check out to get a high-level overview of the current state of things as it relates to the specific goal. Go over the rest of the goals to get familiarized with them and see if any ideas come to mind about solutions you can build using technology. If ideas do arise, write them down to brainstorm further later. Another great site that can really help you generate solution ideas is DIAL, which stands for Digital Impact Alliance. We're going to focus on two tabs, SDGs and the building blocks, but I urge you to look at the other tabs. They're just as useful for your ideation stage. Okay, so let's look at the SDGs tab and take a look at Goal 2, Zero Hunger. This goal has 8 targets, which help you focus on solving a certain aspect of the goal. For example, Target 1, which summarizes as end hunger by ensuring access by all people to good, healthy food all year round. Okay, so immediately ideas start to spark. Maybe you can build a charity app that either accepts donation-safe healthy food or accepts monetary donations dedicated to providing food. Or maybe you can build a volunteering platform that brings people together to help the community at risk. Brainstorm with your team and see what aspects of these problems you are familiar with. Or maybe you have access to communities who are dealing with the challenge. Having personal knowledge of a problem will allow you to design solutions which are far more effective and easier to adopt. Now, let's take a look at Goal 12, Reduced Inequalities. Target 1, achieve and sustain income growth for the bottom 40% of the population at a rate higher than the national average. What a well-defined target. Okay, so now you can start brainstorming again on how you can achieve progress through technology here. Maybe you can build an app or a platform that educates people on financial and saving strategies. Or maybe you can help small businesses grow through education apps or e-commerce and marketing apps that are specific to your community. For example, in my community, the elderly struggle with finding online educational content, and I might consider building an elderly-friendly educational platform. This platform can potentially provide the elderly with equal opportunities at learning new skills and at increasing their income. You'll see that going through these web pages will spark many ideas in your mind. Write them down and discuss them with your team. See which idea really strikes a chord with your ability and your belief. You'll be working on this for a while. You want to solve a goal that you are passionate about or that's really close to home. In the next video in the series, I'll be going through a demo case study. I'll pick up an idea and simulate the steps my team and I will take towards a successful demo submission. I hope the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals inspire you to solve for your community in a meaningful way. We can't wait to see all of your demo submissions.
Wow, it's so impressive.
Yes, exactly. Explained all about the 17 SDGs of United Nations.
Yes.
So, Mayank, would you please tell our viewers about if there are any resources provided? Means if I'll be participating, I'll be having lot of queries on how to do, then you please tell about the resources and all.
Yes, sure. So these are the some of the code labs that you can use during making a solutions for the solution challenge. First, you can see that there are Android basics in Kotlin. If you are making an Android app, you can use Kotlin. You can use Firebase, that is Google's mobile platform that helps you quickly develop high quality apps and grow your business. You can build apps with Flutter that helps you to learn to build beautiful natively compiled desktop mobile web apps. You can also use TensorFlow. It is used for neural networks. You can also use Google Assistant, and if you are interested in Google Cloud, you can use data engineering and analytics. So I was talking about Google Cloud. You can redeem the Google Cloud credits and use Quick Labs. So the process is register for solution challenge at the link, and you have to mention that you have to use Google Cloud for a solution. Then you will get the required credits for your Google Cloud, and you have to make sure that the team fills out that new Google Cloud redemption forms. So these are the some of the frequently asked questions. First of all, can my solution solve a problem outside the scope of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Do you all think about this? So, for Solution Challenge 2022, we require your submitted solutions to solve for at least one or more 17 SDGs. Please review all 17 goals and focus on the targets. One more question. Can one student or team submit with multiple submissions? So, in terms and conditions, it is clearly mentioned that limit is of one entry, one person. Can I still? This is not for you because you are the members of Google Developer Student Club BKBIET. So, let us look at some of the 2021 Solution Challenge winners. These are Demetic Care. It is an app that has been made. Helpier, Q Register, E Owl, iRise, Flow, Game of Fit, Eye of God, Swasthi, and Simply AR. You can view all these solutions on YouTube. So I told you in the timeline about a demo day. The 2021 Solution Challenge Demo Day was hosted live on August 26. It showcased the top 10 winners and their solutions. So you can refer to them and get idea about what to build.
Now, so you all have now got information about what is solution challenge, what is the mission of solution challenge, what are the prizes you will be getting, how to participate in this, when to register, where to register, what are the judging criterias for it, what resources you can use, and how you can participate in this. You have got all the information, but one important thing that you have to do is you have to join our GDSC BKBIET page. Means you have to join our page so that you can register yourself for the solution challenge, as it is very necessary that you should be associated with any GDSE. You just have to follow our page. You can scan this QR code or simply visit this URL. Please scan the QR code so that I'm pretty sure that you all are excited for joining this solution challenge and for joining on participating in this solution challenge. You have to join this page because you have to
So
tell
guys
that from
join
which GDSC you are.
yes. So guys join the page and
You can connect with us on Discord by scanning this QR code or visiting this link.
so I would like to show you all the 17 goals of United Nation. Let me share my screen. Okay, so these are the 17 goals that I told you previously. So first you can see it's no poverty. The goal is to end poverty in all its form everywhere. Okay? If you want to know more about it, you can visit the page. Second goal is to end hunger. End hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. This is the goal. Third is about good health and well-being. The goal is to ensure healthy lives and promote well being for all at all ages. Fourth is for quality education. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Fifth goal is about gender equality. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. This is the goal. You can choose anyone among them. Sixth is clean water and sanitization. Ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. It's very important. Seventh goal is affordable and clean energy. It's about ensuring access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Eighth is about decent work and economic growth. We have to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth for all. Ninth is about industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Tenth is about reduce inequality within and among countries. You can see 11th is about sustainable cities and communities. 12th is responsible consumption and production. Climate action. Take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. There are so many changes that are happening in our climate. So we can think about the solutions. 14th is life below water. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Then we can think about life on land. We have to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and river degradation and halt biodiversity loss. 16th is about peace, justice, and strong institutions. And last is strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. You can refer to this page and learn about the 17 goals, its history, and you can learn more about it. Just a minute. So I would like you to all to scan this code to join us on Discord.
So one of our viewer is asking about the link to this specific website.
Yes, I
Mayank,
can
would you
share it.
please share it?
This is the link. And this is the link of Google Solution Challenge 2022. You can go through it. I can tell you more about it. Just a minute.
Through this link, you can register yourself for the solution challenge.
This is the official website of Solution Challenge. So if you click on register now, it will open into a Google form. You can fill it. These are the 17 goals, United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. I have already told you about timeline. And about these are the 17 goals. You can refer to them.
You also have example projects so that you can go through them.
You can view the videos here about calling all development developers, solution challenge, project case study also. You can view past solution challenge event videos also. And these are all the resources that I told about. This is Kotlin, Firebase, data engineering and analytics. So you can go through the website. It's very informative, and it will help you to choose your problem statement and design the solution for it. And this is the solution challenge demo day. You can watch the previous solution challenge demo day here, and about past winners. These were the past winners of 2021.
You can see their videos and get inspiration from them that how we can contribute to solving these 17 SDGs. Means you don't have to solve all the 17 problems, but you can choose one problem and develop its solution.
Yes.
Its registration link means a solution challenge registration link is given in description also and in comment section also. You can hop into the description for it. So if you have any queries, just put it in the comment box.
That's all about info session. And you can reach us anytime for any queries. And if you have any questions, you can post them in the comments.
Join our Discord page, join our GDSC page. One comment is how many members can we have in a team? Maximum you can have 4 members in your team. You can form groups with your friends and join, means register for the solution challenge. Maximum 4 members can be there in one team.
I'm waiting for all your queries. So put them in the comments. Or do you know more about solution challenge? You can tell. So how many of you are planning to register for solution challenge?
Yeah. How many of you are
I
excited for it?
I think the it is very fascinating to see such so many prizes, recognitions, and you will be solving United Nations goals. So how many
And
of you are
especially
registering
getting
for it?
mentorship from Googlers.
Yes, and you will working on Kotlin, all the material that is made by the Google developers. Ojas, do you like to answer this question? Any suggestion
You
on
can
how
also
to?
answer.
Yeah, first of all, I think you need to pick up a problem statement that you are about to choose for solution challenge, and then talk about it among your friends, and see who is interested about that. Talk talk about them, show them the official website. You can uh, refer to the SDG goals website, and then you can form a good team with them. You can form a team of 2 to 3 members also. It's not necessary that you must have 4 members, because I have seen in past years the winners were having 3 members in a team.
Any other queries, any other questions, just put it in the comment section. Just waiting for your queries, questions, anything related to Solution Challenge 2022.
Guys, I'm waiting for your queries, else we will wrap up the event. I think you don't have many queries, so we can call it off for today.
No queries?
They are almost, I can't say.
I think they must be busy for the registration of Solution Challenge.
Yes, they must be exploring the website.
Exactly. So we should wrap up. Thank you so much for viewing this, for attending this session. I'm sure that you have got very much information about the Solution Challenge, and you all are very excited to know about the what, how can we do this, what can we do to solve these big problems of this solution, how can we put our hands together for solving this problem. And the prizes, the most fascinating part, the most exciting thing about any event is the prizes. So that's all for today. All the best. Do participate in Solution Challenge and win. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for attending.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.